Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create a productivity dashboard in Notion. We start by creating a new page in Notion. On the left-hand side of your screen, click on plus add a page. Type in productivity dashboard as the title. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your dashboard. Now that we've done that, let's add our first block. Click on plus add a block and select a table block. This will serve as your task manager, helping you keep track of your to-dos. Next up, we're going to add some columns. For now, let's add 3: task, status, and deadline. Having these columns helps us because it allows us to sort our tasks based on their priority and deadline, keeping us on track. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is creating a database for your tasks. Let me explain why this matters. It's because Notion can use this data to show you insights about your productivity, like how many tasks you've completed and how many are overdue. Now let's make our dashboard more visually appealing and informative by adding a calendar block. Click on plus add a block again, and this time select calendar. The reason we do this is to have a visual representation of our tasks and deadlines. Finally, let's customize our dashboard by adding a quote block for daily motivation and a media block for helpful resources. And just like that, you've created a productivity dashboard in Notion. This tool will help you stay organized, motivated, and productive. This was a quick guide, but remember, the real power of Notion comes when you customize it to fit your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy organizing.